as I was trying to say before.
Hi, I'm Paul Sim with Pivot Solar Breeze, and we're excited to bring you the newest member of our Solar Breeze family of solar-powered robots to clean your swimming pool. Ariel offers pool owners all the same benefits of the NX series of pool cleaners, but brings a whole new level of intelligence, beauty, and performance to the robotic surface cleaning category. The eyes at the front of the unit, in combination with the steering system, allow Ariel to move freely around the pool without getting stuck on obstructions. Ariel's front paddle wheel scoops up all of the leaves, dust, and other organic materials that's floating on the pool surface. The water that enters the unit is filtered through a fine mesh that filters out all of the material, as well as bugs, pollens, even finer dust particles that you see floating on the surface of the pool. As a result, less debris decays and sinks to the bottom, less bacteria grows in your pool, and fewer chemicals are needed to keep the pool sanitized. Most customers find they can reduce the amount of time they run their pool pump and other cleaning equipment by as much as 50 or even 60%. And all of this is done with free energy provided by the sun, with no cords or hoses that detract from the beauty of your pool. With Ariel in your pool, you can stay all day in the sun, sleep restfully at night, knowing that your pool is always clean and ready to jump in and have fun whenever you want.
We're proud to present Levia, a marble-top, levitating LED lamp, designed and made in Italy. It doesn't need batteries, lighting up via wireless electromagnetic induction. The touch sensor on the base turns the bulb on and off. It's a low-power consumption light source with a safety system to stop it falling. Every single detail of Levia is the result of years of planning and experimentation. The result is a practical, high-quality design piece like nothing you will have seen before. Using Levia is simple. Just bring the bulb up to the socket until you feel it floating. It will light up your life. The touch sensor on the base turns the bulb on and off without interrupting the magnetic field. The safety system automatically pulls the light bulb up into the socket in the event of blackouts, accidental knocks, or interruption of the current flow. The base is finely crafted in genuine Carrara or black marble. Like it? I bet you do. Be the first to take home a Levia. Levia, levitating marble lamp.
What if you could touch control all kinds of screens using a single device? With Glamos, that's not just a dream. Meet Glamos, a smart device that creates a virtual touchscreen anywhere. Glamos turns screens instantly interactive and lets you control them even from a distance. Chris became a magical presenter. All it takes to control his slides is his hands. Lucy is not glued to the phone anymore. Glamos brought her favorite game to life size, and now the entire family can play it together. Glamos creates a virtual touchscreen literally anywhere in the air and even on a wall. And all of this happened in the blink of an eye. Just plug it in and it's ready to work its magic. This is only possible thanks to our LiDAR technology. Glamos senses motion with a rotating mirror module, converts it into touch points, and delivers it to the device. Glamos comes to the rescue when your hands are messy and you need to swipe through your recipe, or when you wish you could just browse with your hands without touching the remote. Explore the seamless possibilities of Glamos and bring your devices to life, anywhere you want with all kinds of devices. Experience a whole new level of comfort, convenience, and fun. The choice is yours. Glamos.
From the makers of Nanobag comes Nanobag 4. Tiny big bags, made to be brought everywhere. Every year, 500 billion to 1 trillion plastic bags are consumed worldwide. Our mission is to reduce plastic waste by making the most convenient reusable bags. To our knowledge, the Nanobag is the world's strongest, lightest, and most portable bag in its product category. And now it comes in many more flavors to suit all your carrying needs. Meet our 6 new bag styles: Standard, Micro, Mini, XL, Sling, and Pack. And we've added 15 fun new designs. All our bags are crafted from our custom-made ultra-high performance reinforced diamond ripstop fabric. The strong fabric measures only 0.002 inches thick. That's only half the width of a human hair. Stitched with a heavy-duty nylon thread, our bags can easily carry 66 pounds. The Standard weighs just 0.78 ounces. And with 19 liters of space, it's big enough to cover your daily needs. Our soft fabric folds on itself so flat that you won't even notice carrying it. No folding necessary. The bags are so small they'll fit anywhere, even in the watch pocket of your jeans. The pouch is attached to the bag and can also fit your keys and other small objects. Our Micro even fits on your keychain. The handles run along the length of the bag to balance the weight evenly, whether you carry it on your shoulder or in your hand. They're also reinforced for extra comfort, and a coating keeps water and dirt off the bag. As with our last campaign, we will plant 1 tree for every bag sold to offset any emission from the production of the bags many times over. Back us today and help make the Nanobag 4 a reality.